Hey guys, Brian here with NuWave Composites. If you have a boat project or a boat restoration shop, have I got a solution for you guys, right? So here we have our stock hatches and gutters combos, right? So what we do is we have standard sizes of hatches and gutters that you can graft in for your boat or restoration project. So a little bit more about this. We have two styles. We have anchor style for the front of your boat where you're gonna need a kind of different shape, and then we have our standard rectangle, which we have various sizes in this, from small to big, for bilges, for fish lockers, for rod storage, all that stuff. They all come standard ready to receive Gemlux hardware. You can either use regular hinges or friction hinges, as well as standard compression latches from Gemlux. I believe these are the 2-inch compression latches. So these hatches and gutters are made with all composite tooling, with all composite material. T92 100 PET core, great stuff. It's never gonna rot. And as well as we reinforce the areas for the hinges with screw retaining materials. This is called AquaPlex 5. It's a screw retaining material that we pocket into here where the hinges go, so that way you don't have to through bolt. Just on a note, these come ready to paint. You can see over here, they come in a general Matterhorn white gel coat color. You can easily just graft them in. In the back, you can see where we have the AP5s inserts for the screw retaining properties. And also the recesses in here where you can just easily, the hinges line up, put some screws in it, and you're good, you're off to the races. The height for the gutters are already predetermined. You have a nice landing for your gasket material, which is already figured out. The compression latch is already made to fit. There is no guesswork. There is nothing to do. There's no thinking involved other than just grafting it. We're gonna take a look at the backside of this one. You can see these things are very light and very strong. So what we do with these, first you're gonna cut out, you're gonna rebate your floor just a little bit. And you got about 4 inches over here where you're gonna embed your gutter with some resin putty. From there, you're gonna sand it smooth, and then you're gonna spray it. And then you're gonna do the cutout for the inside with an offset trim. Makes it real easy. You get a nice, clean finish. Here guys, so if you have a boat restoration project, or you are a boat restoration shop that has a use for these, reach out to us. You can subscribe to us on our social medias and reach out to us through our website or email info@newwavecomposites.com.